Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to fix no internet problem in MikroTik router, step by step. If your devices are connected but internet is not working, stay with me, we will troubleshoot and fix it completely. Let's begin. Step 1. Understand common causes. Most MikroTik internet issues happen due to NAT Masquerade not configured, DHCP server not running, wrong gateway or DNS WAN interface not receiving, PPPoE or ISP connection failure. We'll check and fix these one by one. Step 2. Check WAN internet status. Go to IP addresses, check if your WAN interface has an IP address. If IP is missing, enable DHCP client or reconnect PPPoE if using PPPoE internet. If WAN has IP, continue to the next step. Step 3. Check gateway or ping test. Go to IP routes, make sure default gateway 0.0.0.0/0 is present. Now open terminal and run ping art.art.art.art. If ping works, internet is reaching router. If ping fails, ISP, gateway issue. Step 4. Fix DNS configuration. Go to IP DNS set art.art.art.art.8.8.8.8. Enable, allow remote requests. Click apply or OK. Now test again. Step 5. Enable NAT Masquerade, most important. Without NAT, LAN devices cannot access internet. Go to IP firewall NAT add chain equals srcnat. Out interface equals WAN action equals masquerade. Click apply or OK. This step fixes most MikroTik no internet problems. Step 6. Check DHCP server on LAN. Go to IP DHCP server. If no server exists, run DHCP setup gateway 192.168.8.8. IP range, your LAN network. DNS, art.art.art.art.8.8.8.8. Click OK. Now your devices will receive IP automatically. Step 7. Renew IP or test. On your PC or laptop, disconnect or reconnect LAN, Wi-Fi or run renew IP command. Now try browsing website. Ping google.com. Speed test. If pages load, problem fixed. Jashan. Bonus troubleshooting tips. If still no internet, small diamond, check the cable connected to the correct port. Small diamond, try rebooting the router. Small diamond, disable unnecessary firewall rules. Small diamond, check PPPoE username, password. Small diamond, confirm ISP connection is active. Final summary: in this video we fixed NAT Masquerade, DHCP server, DNS configuration, gateway issues, WAN connection. Now your MikroTik router should be working properly. If this tutorial helped you, like the video, comment your issue, subscribe for more MikroTik tutorials. Tell me in comments, which MikroTik topic should I cover next? Thanks for watching.